How to use ChatGPT to create a business plan. Yes, you can use AI now to create a proper business plan for you if you have a business idea in your mind. Or not, you can also go and ask ChatGPT to generate a business idea for you as well. All you need to do is learn the art of giving proper prompts to ChatGPT. Now, what we can do is here, I will simply go and type, let's say I want to start drop shipping, and I need a business plan for that. Or I don't have, let's say I don't have a business idea, so I can give it a prompt like, let's say we give this prompt to ChatGPT to generate us the best business ideas available at the moment in 2025, and it will start giving me tons of ideas that we can go and do in 2025, and it will also give us platforms that we can use for that. Now, let's say we want to do drop shipping, so what we're gonna do is generate a we're not gonna ask ChatGPT to directly go and create a business plan for us. We will first use ChatGPT to create that prompt that we're gonna use again. Well, I can go and I can type in this a prompt right here. Generate a proper useful prompt for using ChatGPT to create a business plan. Here, as you guys can see, it has generated such an incredible prompt for us to create a business idea. Let's say it has given us example as well. And now here, you can use this prompt to generate that business plan for you. I have copied this text here and I have edited it according to a business idea. Let's say create a complete business plan for a startup based on dropshipping using Shopify. And now here, it will create that complete steps of that business for you. Everything you need to know about that business, the complete business plan for you. Using ChatGPT, you can go and do this for yourself as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.